Natural light is one of the most sought-after features in any home, and for good reason. It creates a welcoming atmosphere, makes spaces feel larger, and has numerous health and energy-saving benefits. In Kendall, Florida, where the sun shines abundantly, incorporating bow windows into your home design is an ideal way to maximize natural light. These gracefully curved windows not only enhance the aesthetics of your home but also flood your interiors with sunlight, creating a bright, airy environment. Here's how bow windows play a pivotal role in bringing more natural light into Kendall homes. A curved design that captures more light. Bow windows are comprised of 4 or more individual windows joined in an outward curve, creating a rounded structure that extends beyond the home's facade. This design allows light to enter your home from multiple angles throughout the day. Benefits for Kendall homes. The outward projection captures sunlight from various directions, ensuring your interiors remain well lit from sunrise to sunset. Bow windows' expansive glass surfaces let in significantly more light compared to standard flat windows, making them ideal for maximizing natural brightness. The curved structure transforms even the dimmest rooms into light-filled spaces, perfect for Kendall's sunny climate. A panoramic view with unobstructed light. Bow windows offer panoramic views that not only highlight Kendall's beautiful outdoor scenery but also provide unobstructed pathways for natural light to enter your home. Why it matters. With fewer structural interruptions, bow windows allow sunlight to flow freely into your living spaces. The wide-angle design brings the outdoors in, creating a seamless connection between your interior and the lush greenery, gardens, or pool areas often found in Kendall homes. This feature enhances your home's aesthetic while brightening your space with abundant sunlight. Customizable window panes for maximum light. Bow windows typically consist of individual panes that can be customized to suit your specific lighting needs. Each pane contributes to the overall light entering your home, and the choice of glass type can further optimize natural illumination. Customization options. Clear glass maximizes light while providing an open, airy feel. Low-E glass allows natural light in while reducing glare and heat gain, ideal for Kendall's warm climate. Tinted or frosted glass offers privacy without significantly reducing the amount of light entering your home. These options let you balance light, comfort, and privacy while tailoring the window's function to your home's unique design. Enhancing larger living spaces. Bow windows are often installed in living rooms, dining rooms, or other communal areas, where maximizing light has the greatest impact. Their ability to brighten large spaces makes them a focal point that enhances both functionality and beauty. How they transform spaces. They make living areas feel more expansive and inviting by eliminating shadows and dark corners. Their placement in larger rooms ensures even distribution of light, creating a cohesive and balanced atmosphere. For homes in Kendall, where open concept designs are popular, bow windows amplify the natural light, emphasizing the spaciousness of your interiors. Supporting energy efficiency. Maximizing natural light with bow windows doesn't just improve aesthetics, it also contributes to energy efficiency by reducing the need for artificial lighting. Energy-saving benefits. During daylight hours, the natural brightness from bow windows reduces your reliance on electric lighting, lowering your energy bills. Modern bow windows with energy-efficient features, such as double glazing or low-E coatings, minimize heat transfer, ensuring your home stays cool and comfortable despite the additional sunlight. This dual benefit of light and energy savings makes bow windows a practical and eco-friendly choice for Kendall homeowners. Highlighting design features. The natural light streaming in through bow windows highlights architectural details, furniture, and decor within your home, enhancing the overall aesthetic. Lighting effects. Bright, natural light accentuates the textures and colors of walls, flooring, and furnishings, creating a more vibrant and lively space. The continuous light flow creates dynamic shadows and highlights, adding depth and interest to your interior design. Bow windows turn your home into a showcase of light and style, making every element of your space stand out. Complementing Kendall's outdoor beauty. Kendall's picturesque landscapes are a highlight of the area, and bow windows allow you to fully embrace these views while bringing in natural light. Why it works. Frame outdoor features like tropical gardens, palm trees, or scenic streetscapes with the expansive glass panes of bow windows. Enjoy the beauty of the changing light throughout the day, from the soft morning glow to the golden hues of sunset. This connection to nature enhances both the interior ambiance and the overall appeal of your home. Improving curb appeal and home value. Bow windows are a striking architectural feature that enhances the exterior of your home, making it more attractive and increasing its market value. Curb appeal benefits. From the outside, bow windows create a sophisticated, polished look that stands out in the neighborhood. Their ability to fill interiors with natural light is a selling point for potential buyers, who value bright, well-lit spaces. Installing bow windows in your Kendall home is an investment that pays off by combining beauty, functionality, and value. Final thought. Bow windows are a powerful tool for maximizing natural light in Kendall homes, transforming your living spaces into bright, welcoming, and energy-efficient environments. Their curved design, expansive glass panes, and customizable features make them an excellent choice for homeowners looking to enhance their interiors and create a lasting impression. By working with a trusted professional to design and install bow windows, you can enjoy the benefits of increased natural light, stunning outdoor views, and a boost in curb appeal. Whether you're updating your home or starting fresh, bow windows are a timeless addition that will elevate your Kendall property for years to come.